Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my dear viewers and all of my subscribers. A lot of thanks watching my video. Hi friends. Sometime after opening the channel, you can see that there are several reasons for deleting the YouTube channel. So now I will show how to delete properly your YouTube channel. So why late? Let's go. Firstly, click your YouTube profile pic, then show YouTube profile dialog box, then you go setting option, click this is setting option dialog box, YouTube channel deleting process to process. First, advanced setting. Second, view advanced setting. Two option work same. Now I go view advanced setting, then I click this. Now I see advanced setting dialog box. Now I go advanced setting dialog box below side. Now I see delete channel option. Click this. This is channel name Moja Moja TV, and for deleting require your email and email address. So email password. Next, don't save. Then show dialog box two option. I want to hide my channel. I want to properly permanently delete my account content. Then I select I want to permanently delete my content. Then show uh, deleting delete dialog box. Then I select this. Please see uh, and read this option. So I click delete content. Now please confirm by typewrite your email address. Then I copy this name, copy and paste. Now I select delete my content. Delete my content. Yes, your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. So my work is finished. Properly delete this channel. So I check this. So now I back Firefox home homepage and YouTube. So friends, now I see sign in option. So my work permanently delete YouTube channel is finished. So new viewers, please comment my channel, subscribe and share. Next time, see you again. Thank you. Please care for me. Allah Hafiz.